Hi everyone, I'm Jenny. Welcome back to Fluent Chat. Today I tell you a story from my school. It is not a happy story. The name is People Laugh at My English. I still remember that day. I feel sad and shy when people laugh. Maybe you have this feeling too, right? Stay with me. I tell you how I feel better and start to love English again. I want to tell you about my English class. Every day I go to school and learn English. I try my best, but it is not easy. The teacher asks simple questions. I cannot answer them. The class laughs at me. I feel sad. I feel shy. I feel disappointed. One day I go to the park. I sit on a bench alone. I don't want to go to school. I think people will laugh at me again. I feel very sad. I look at the trees and the sky. I ask myself, why can't I speak English well? Why can't I be good? Why can other people do it, but I can't? I feel small and weak. I feel I am not smart. I want to cry. Then my friend Mark comes to the park. He lives near my house. He sees me and walks to me.
Hi, Jenny. How are you?
Hi, Mark. I feel sad.
Why do you feel sad?
My friends laugh at me.
They laugh at you. Why?
My English is not good.
Oh, no, that's not nice.
I try to speak English.
And what happens then?
I make many mistakes.
They laugh every time?
Yes, almost every time.
That is not good.
Yes, it makes me afraid.
Afraid of what, Jenny?
Afraid of speaking English.
But you must keep trying.
I try, but I fail.
It's okay to fail.
I feel bad and small.
You can learn again.
Learn again? How, Mark?
Start with simple tenses.
Simple tenses? What are they?
Like simple present tense.
Why simple present tense?
It's very important.
Important for what, Mark?
We use it every day.
Every day for what?
For talking about daily life.
Oh, daily life. I see.
Yes. Like this example.
Okay, tell me one.
I wake up in the morning.
I wake up in the morning too.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth also.
I drink water.
I drink tea every morning.
Good. That's simple present.
Oh, I understand. Now you talk about what you do.
Yes, I talk about my life.
It looks very easy.
Yes, it is easy.
I forget sometimes.
That's okay. Just try again.
I try again every day.
Good. You are learning.
I feel better now.
I'm happy to hear that. Do you speak with family?
Sometimes, but not often.
Why not often, Jenny?
My family doesn't speak English.
That's okay. No problem.
Then how can I practice?
You can practice with me.
With you? Really?
Yes, really, with me.
Thank you, Mark.
You're kind.
You're welcome, Jenny.
I feel warm inside
Why do you feel warm inside?
because I am not alone.
That's good. Don't give up.
I will try every day.
Good. I believe in you.
I can do it, right?
Yes, you can do it.
I am not alone now.
No, you are not alone.
You are my good friend.
And you are my friend too. When I study with Mark, I feel happy and brave. English is easy for me. I want to practice more. So I ask Mark, can I practice with you?
Yes, you can.
I feel so happy.
Let's meet tomorrow.
Okay, let's meet tomorrow.
Where do we meet?
At the library.
Okay, I will come. See you tomorrow, Jenny.
See you tomorrow, Mark. I smile and wave my hand. I feel good inside. I like learning English now. Next day, I come to the library and I see Mark. Hi, Mark. You are here.
Yes, I am here.
You are early today.
Yes, I come early.
That's good. Mark, let's start our practice.
Okay, I am ready.
Let's talk in English.
Yes, let's talk in English.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
I'm happy to hear that.
What about you, Jenny?
I'm good and excited
Excited? Why, Jenny?
because we learn together.
That's nice to hear.
Yes, learning is fun.
Do you think I can improve?
Of course you can improve.
Are you proud of me?
Yes, I'm really proud of you.
Thank you so much, Jenny.
Keep talking in English.
Okay, I'll keep talking.
What do you do every morning?
I usually wake up early.
What do you do after that?
I wash my face and hands.
What do you do next?
I brush my teeth.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and jam.
What do you drink?
I drink a cup of tea.
That sounds nice.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up at 7.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day.
What do you eat usually?
I eat eggs and bacon.
I don't like eggs.
What do you eat instead?
I eat sandwiches and vegetables.
Yummy, that's healthy.
What do you do after breakfast?
I go to my studio.
I go to my college.
Do you study hard?
Yes, I study very hard.
I also work hard at my job.
I feel happy when I learn.
I feel happy when I work.
My teacher speaks English fast.
Do you understand her words?
Sometimes I do, sometimes not.
Do you ask her questions?
No, I feel too shy.
Don't be shy, Mark.
But my friends laugh at me.
Don't listen to them.
It's hard to ignore.
I know, but you must try.
Okay, I'll try my best.
You speak better today.
Really? Do you think so?
Yes, I can hear the progress.
Thank you, Jenny.
Keep going. Don't stop.
I feel more confident now,
I'm happy to hear that.
but I still make mistakes.
That's okay. Everyone makes mistakes.
My friends never make mistakes.
They just hide their mistakes.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yes, everyone makes mistakes, Mark.
Then why did they laugh?
Because they don't understand.
I feel sad when they laugh,
Don't care too much about them.
but it hurts sometimes.
Focus on your progress, not them.
You are right, Jenny.
Yes, I'm always right. How do you practice English?
I read something every day.
What do you like to read?
I like short stories and news articles.
Do you read aloud or silently?
Sometimes I read aloud. It helps my speaking.
That's a good idea. I want to try that.
You should. It really helps with pronunciation.
Do you write in English too?
Yes, I write a few sentences in my notebook every day.
I will start doing that as well.
Let's practice together in the library every week.
Yes, I would love that.
Sure. I clean my small room. Good. Say another one.
I write in my notebook.
Very nice. Continue.
I listen to my teacher.
Good job. What else?
I help my mom in the kitchen.
Excellent. That's very kind.
I play with my brother.
Perfect. That's fun.
I sing songs when I'm happy.
Wonderful. You are getting better every day.